Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with one of the important video related to Deloitte. So in the previous video, I have uploaded video related to the coding questions and almost 1500 students have watched that coding question one shot video. So must go through it because that will be really helpful for you. Coming to this part, so today I will discuss about the computer fundamentals important MCQ questions. So in this video, I will also provide important PYQs विद सम अदर क्वेश्चंस ओके इवन फ्रेंड कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स में जो होता है बेसिकली आपको एमसीक्यू पूछा जाता है एंड कम्प्लेक्सिटी लेवल इज नॉट मच दैट लेवल ओके मीडियम इजी टू मीडियम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन बट यू शुड हैव नॉलेज इफ यू डोंट नो देन यू कांट एबल टू सॉल्व इट. So let me come to the question without wasting time. So first question is which below are the document based database services? MySQL, MongoDB, Cassandra, CouchDB. So answer will be both, that is the Cassandra and Couch database. Okay. So for the detailed explanation, you can go through it. I will also provide this PDF in the description from where you can get directly access to it. Okay. Next, the SQL statement given below are executed in the order given below. That the create table demo a varchar 10 insert into demo values 101 5 6 7 update, then you have to update set null. Okay, means update demo set null. Next ये आपका query है. So what will be the result of the statement given below if executed? Means select start from demo. So अगर आप select start from demo करेंगे तो आपको पता है you will get all the details. So what will you get? So what will be answer? A, B, then 101 and null. Okay. Now you should comment here why here answer is null. Okay, because we are setting the demo set to null. Okay. So for the detailed explanation you can go through it. Coming to next question number 3. So choose the incorrect statement regarding IPv4 protocol. First is IPv4 provide both error control and flow control mechanism. So is this correct? Yeah. Next one, it is reliable protocol. You can comment whether it is correct or not. Then IPv4 works at different at the network layer of OSI model. So what is the basically incorrect assessment? Okay, so you have to basically answer the incorrect statement. So 1 and 2 both are incorrect. Okay, so it is a reliable protocol. No, because that's why if it was reliable then we will not come with IPv6. Okay, आपको पता है IPv4 का डिमेरिट था इसीलिए IPv6 हम लोग फिर फर्दर किए हैं एंड एरर कंट्रोल एंड फ्लो कंट्रोल मैकेनिज्म में यह मदद नहीं करता है. सो बोथ आर इनकरेक्ट. सो ऑप्शन 3 विल बी ओनली करेक्ट. You can go through the complete explanation. Next, what type of attack induces a network or server with excessive number of requests, rendering it accessible for legitimate user? So आपको पता है DDoS अटैक क्या होता है? Denial of service और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डिनाइल ऑफ सर्विस अटैक, जहाँ पर आपको नेटवर्क को फ्लड कर दिया जाता है. सो बेसिकली क्लाउड से और आप कह सकते हैं सिक्योरिटी से बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन आता है बिसाइड द डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. सो कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स में अलग अलग डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट टॉपिक्स आता है. सो दिस विल बी द पार्ट 1. इफ योर कमेंट विल बी देयर देन आई विल ऑल्सो मेक पार्ट 2 फॉर दिस थिंग्स एंड दीज आर द डिट्टो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. ओके, no changes I have made here. Next, which of the following is a method used to verify the identity of a user or device attempting to access a network? So encryption, no, biometrics, firewall and DMZ. So what will the answer? Because you know very well that biometrics is used to identify or verify the identity of user. My friend, now what I will do, just I will show you question and you have to answer. Okay, and pause the video, give answer and then just give your self marking and at last must comment here that out of 30 question आपने कितना सही किया, so that you will get clear cut idea of your preparation level. चलिए मूव करते हैं. So which of the statements given is correct? FTP uses 2 TCP component, HTTP uses only 1 TCP connection. So what are the correct? Both 1 and 2 are correct. Okay, means FTP uses 2 TCP connections, that is the data and control, and HTTP uses only 1 TCP connection. Okay, coming to next question, I will try to just show the option में दिख जा रहा है. Wait, yeah, DIMM is what? This is the dual inline memory module. System way of storing information into database, that is the form, because through the form it is a systematic way of storing information in the database. Okay, you know very well. This is so easy question. Coming to next type of testing which focus on finding fault due to invalid data. So if there are invalid data, then which kind of or which type of testing basically if it follow. So both 1 and 2, equivalence partitioning and the equivalence class partitioning. Okay. Next, identify the correct testing technique: integration, collaboration, system, unit testing. So correct testing are what? इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग, सिस्टम टेस्टिंग एंड यूनिट टेस्टिंग. देर इज नो एनी कोलेबरेशन टेस्टिंग. ऐसा कुछ टेस्टिंग नहीं होता. ओके, इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग, सिस्टम टेस्टिंग, अल्फा टेस्टिंग, बीटा टेस्टिंग. So these are kind of testing, but no any collaboration techniques are there. Coming to next question number 11, that is statistic analysis. Analysis can be best described as, so what is describe? It describe analysis of program code. You can go through the explanation. Next, what is the primary goal of alpha testing? So to find the defect of the code, to evaluate all user interface and overall user experience, to assess the system performance under varying workload, to test the software in control environment before releasing it to the user. Must comment here your answer. A, B, C or D? Yeah, you are correct. Option D will be the correct answer. You can go through the explanation because in alpha testing, we basically our developer perform the testing internally. Okay. Purpose of equivalence partitioning in software testing. So option B, answer will be D, to find defect in the code. What is the number of layer in OSI model? So total 7 layers are there. So how is single communication channel is shared by multiple signal in a computer network? So that will be the multiplexing. Okay, because you know multiplexing allow multiple signal to share a single channel efficiently. Identify the issue in the following snippet. So you should comment here. Okay, so can you tell me just by looking there what is the defect in this code or issue in this code? So this will basically give out of memory access because you are traversing to equal to. Okay, if you want to, means this is the array of size 5, so you can't go beyond that. Okay, so 0 to 4 only you can traverse. Okay, next, because array indexes range from 0 to length -1. Okay, so using I less than equal to numbers dot length cows access to number 5 which is invalid. Got it? Which the following example of cloud computing: Amazon Web Service, Dropbox, Cisco WebEx, all of the above. So answer will be all of the above. Okay, my friend, cloud computing बहुत ही important part है for your interview and for other company too. So must at least go through a basic idea of this. Next important question: what is the value returned by the following function? So int func, int x, int y. If x equal to 0, return by, return fun x minus 1, x plus y. So comment your answer, then I am sharing you the answer. So correct answer will be 13. How? Because when you will pass fun 4 3, so here x will be 4 and y will be 3. Now is it x equal to 0? No. So then it will return x minus 1, that is 3 and 7, isn't it? Because x minus 1 and x plus y, so 3 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So fun 3 7. Then fun 3 7 will be fun 2 10 because it will decrease. Fun 2 10 will be 1 and 12 because 10 plus 2 12 and this. Then 1 and 12, 12 plus 1 13 and this will be 0. So final result will be 13. Why? Because if this is the base case, if x equal to 0, then return by, isn't it? So this kind of recursive questions might come in your exam. Which netware protocol provide link state routing? So correct answer will be NLSP. NLSP का full form होता है Netware Link Service Protocol. Okay, so it is a link state routing protocol used in netware networks. Then black box testing focus on what? So it focus on internal code structure or program logic or output input behavior or memory allocation. So it basically focus on input output behavior. Okay, in black box testing, and in white box testing you will go through the internal code structures and all things. Okay, which testing is done by the end user? So alpha testing, beta testing, unit testing or integrated testing? Must write here. So answer will be the B, that is the beta testing. Beta is testing is done by real users in real environment. Then boundary analysis value is used in test random value or text maximum memory or test value at boundaries. So ईजी है. बाउंड्री वैल्यू में आप क्या करते हैं, बाउंड्री वैल्यू एनालिसिस करते हैं. ओके, मीन्स टेस्ट वैल्यू एट बाउंड्री. giving some more questions. So what is the default value of int variable in Java? Must comment here. Yeah, answer will be 0. Which data structure follow LIFO? So आपको लग रहा हो ये क्या इतना इजी आता है, या कुछ कुछ इजी क्वेश्चन भी आप लोग को देखने को मिलेगा एंड कुछ आपको टेक्निकल मीन्स थोड़ा लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन भी रहेगा. लेकिन फ्रेंड्स वी आर गेटिंग लिटिल टाइम ना, 67 क्वेश्चंस एंड अराउंड 1.5 आवर, जिसमें आपको 2 कोडिंग भी करना है एंड 65 MCQ. सो यू विल गेट not much that level of coding questions, okay, and as well as MCQ question. And again saying must go through our previous video, that will be really important to you. What will the output for this? Int x equal to 5 system dot out x plus 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 x plus plus x. So this is the concept of increment and decrement operator. Okay, so x equal to 5, so what will the correct answer? X plus 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 x. So answer will be 12. Why? Because x plus plus, so it will give 5, then plus plus x 7. So if you will plus 5 plus 7, then it will be 12. Okay, this will do what? Post increment, isn't it? So 5 x5 तो हुआ, आप after that what will be there? It will go as it is 5, but value increases, that is 6. Then अगर plus plus pre increment means 6 will be increment to 7, so it will be 5 and it will be 7, so 5 plus 7 will be 12. Got it? This is post increment, means first the value will be analyzed as it is and then it will be increased. So 5 तो as it is चला गया ना, then increase, that is the 6. And again pre increment means पहले आपका value increase होगा, then it will be analyzed. So 6 plus 1 7, so 5 plus 7 will be 12. Coming to next, which of the following cause the array index out of bound exception? So accessing index at -1 or equal array length or A and B. So both A and B. Okay, if you are accessing at -1 or equal to array length, then it will give array index out of bound exception. Time complexity of binary search, must comment here. So yeah, it will be O log n. Why? Because you are doing the search by dividing the array, okay, into 2 part. That is the binary search. Which protocol is used in to send the mail? ये बहुत repeated question है, बहुत सारा एग्जाम में आपको देखने को ये मिलेगा यहाँ से. So yeah, answer will be simple mail transfer protocol. And HTTP, must comment here, what is the use of HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. Next, which device operates at network layer? Hub, switch, router or repeater? So yeah, correct answer will be router. Okay. Next, which OSI layer is responsible for encryption? Application, presentation or session? You know session layer is used for dialog control. Presentation, transport layer used to transport the package or send the packets. So answer will be the B, that is the presentation layer. Presentation layer is basically responsible for the encryption. So I hope video informative to you. कोई भी doubt है, feel free to ask here, comment here, and must subscribe friends, because we will get lots of update here, job updates and other important hiring update and important MCQs coding questions. And must join our WhatsApp or Telegram group. There I am sending the free resource for this. I will also share this PDF there. Hope informative to you. कोई भी doubt है, feel free to ask here, comment here, and all the best for your exam. Thank you.